Hey, quick but important update, and a request for help. Missing child. 6-year-old Darius McDougal, Island Lake, south of Crowsnest Pass, southwestern Alberta. Last seen Sunday, September 21st, near the campsite along Tent Mountain Road. Search teams have been out day and night. Over 200 people are involved. Crews from Alberta, crews from BC, crews from Saskatchewan. 60 RCMP tactical support officers doing shoulder-to-shoulder sweeps. They've used search dogs, a helicopter, drones. Infrared scans were flown early on. Now aircraft are focused on high-resolution cameras. Teams are reanalyzing previous drone footage. Officials say this terrain is one of the toughest to search, steep, rugged, and cold at night. RCMP told the family the current survival estimate is less than 5%. That's brutal, but the search has not been scaled back. It's adapted. Darius is autistic. He's verbal, but may not respond to his name or to strangers. Teams are avoiding loud noises, using familiar cues, flashing lights, his favorite song. If you're near the area and think you see or hear something, don't shout, don't rush him, stay calm, keep eyes on, and call it in immediately. Here's how you can help right now. If you were at Island Lake Campground or along Tent Mountain Road on Sep 21, or any day since, check your photos, check your videos, check dashcam footage, check trail cams. Look for a small figure, movement off trail, clothing, anything out of place. Share verified updates from officials. Don't spread rumors. If you have info, call Crowsnest Pass RCMP at 403-562-2866. To remain anonymous, contact Crime Stoppers at 1-800-222-8000-477. Tips. Local residents. Public Information Sharing Center at Crowsnest Sports Complex. Curling Rink Lounge upstairs open today from 3 to 5 p.m. They've got search maps and can take tips in person. Important. Please don't self-deploy into the backcountry. If you live nearby, check outbuildings, vehicles, porches, wood piles, quietly and thoroughly. If you have any contact with Darius or know his whereabouts again, 403-562-2866 for RCMP or 1-800-222-8477 tips to stay anonymous. I know the odds sound scary, but the work continues. The right call, the right clip, the right set of eyes. That can be the difference. Share this, check your footage, and make that call if you know anything. Stay safe, stay kind, and keep it factual.